Every morning, Edward pulls a train from the big station down to the harbor on his branch line. He meets up with Thomas at Thomas's Junction. Today, Thomas wasn't showing up. The clock ticked and ticked, but still Thomas didn't show. The crew were getting anxious. 10 minutes late. I wonder what could be the matter. Oh dear, what can the matter be? Johnny's so long and never you mind about Johnny, the driver laughed. Get on the cab and look for Thomas. It's not like Thomas to be this late. Well, do you see anything? Nothing but Birdie bus in a tearing hurry. No problem for us, though. Right, well, we better get going. The ferry won't hear of it. And with that, the train left the station. Bertie watched as Edward slunk off into the distance. Oh, wait! Oh, bother, Thomas's fireman not coming to work today? Oh, why did I agree to help the passengers? That's enough, Bertie. We'll just have to catch 'em at the next station. Are you up to it? I guess so, sir, for the passengers. Good bus. And with that, Bertie departed, racing for the next station. Bertie had to go back through a village before reaching the next station. Oh, bother, this will make me even more late. We won't catch Edward now. Bertie toiled up a hill and down below sat the town. In the town stood Edward. Oh, good, he stopped at the station. But to Bertie's dismay, he saw that Edward was only stopped at the level crossing. As Bertie charged down the hill, the crossing gates swung open and Edward shuffled off. Bertie once again watched helplessly as the train faded away. The station master rushed out onto the driveway to see what all the commotion was about. Oh dear, I am sorry, Bertie said sadly to the waiting passengers. Never you mind, smiled his driver. I just talked to the station master. He said we could probably catch him at the next station. Oh really? Tooted Bertie excitedly. There's a good chance. The line keeps close to the road and you can climb hills better than Edward. I'll make it all bust, Bertie said determinedly. The passengers cheered Bertie on as they charged out of the station. Edward was making light work out of the countryside. The coaches grumbled behind him. This hill is too steep. This hill is too steep. Edward just chuckled and kept moving. The train finally arrived at his junction next. The passengers got out and the crew went to take a break. Soon the guard went to raise his green flag, but was stopped by the station master. They all heard a great screeching as Bertie the bus flew down the ramp into the yard. He came to a stop with much panting. The passengers darted out to the train. Oh my, Bertie, you look worse for wear. Apparently he's been following us since Snapford. Holy hell, I'm sorry for the run. My fault, Bertie panted. Late at junction. You didn't know about the change-up. Yes, well, I'm very glad you got here now. These people would have missed their boat. Just then a passenger stood up on a luggage cart. 3 cheers for Bertie the boss. The passengers cheered Bertie on as the train set off. Birdie couldn't do anything but grin.